I helped my client get 1,000 subscribers on this brand new YouTube channel in the last 28 days. Before he reached out to me, he was managing this channel and it wasn't growing. So when he reached out to me, he said, I want you to kick this channel, manage it, create video, do everything until the channel gets 1,000 subscribers, then you hand it over to me. After our first session, I went into the channel and looked at a lot of things and I said, okay, challenge accepted. Let's do this in the next 28 days. And that's how we got to here. If you look at this analytics, you will see that he posted the first ever video on this channel on 16th of September. All this while was when he was managing it and obviously it wasn't working. So he reached out to me to manage the channel. He told me, coach, I want a channel that grows really fast. I want the videos on this channel to get thousands of views. I also want a system that is so easy to manage. So when you eventually hand over the channel to me, I can always manage it. So he was asking for a video creation pattern that is so easy that you can create it in few minutes and still get thousands of views on the video. So after looking at the conditions, I said, challenge accepted. Let's do this in the next 28 days. So we started. I optimized the channel, started creating videos for this channel. I will create the video and upload on the channel. His job is just to respond to comments and like the videos. That's basically what he does in these last 28 days. And I do the content creation, the uploading, and every single thing that got this channel to this stage. If you look at this, you see from the moment I took over, 1st of October, guys, look at what is going on here. This is the number of views. You can see that everything changed. The views, watch hour count, skyrocketed, and look at the subscribers, 1,200 subscribers. Everything changed. 37 subscribers, 20, 50. There was even a day we got over 100 subscribers on a faceless channel. As you can see, I delivered on my promise. I got over 1,000 subscribers for this client in the last 28 days. So I will be handing over the channel back to him. Now in this video, I want to show you 8 things I did differently that skyrocketed this channel. So if you're a small channel, you are struggling with getting views and subscribers, grab your writing material because I'm about to show you the exact secret that will help you get this result. And if you'd love to get this kind of result, if you want me to manage your channel, check the link in the first comment for details of how you can actually get me to work with you, either done with you or done for you service. Let me help you get your first 1,000 subscribers in the next 28 days. That said, let's jump into the video. Let me show you how I was able to help this client get over 1,000 subscribers in the last 28 days. If you are a small channel, wait to the end of this video. I will give you tips and also share lessons I learned from managing this channel in the last 28 days. These are going to help you a lot when it comes to getting views and subscribers. Enough of chit chat, let's get into it. So the first thing I did that helped me grow this channel to this level in just 28 days was picking the right niche. And this is what a lot of small creators struggle with. When you are on YouTube, you need to define exactly what you want. If you're on this platform to grow and monetize really fast, you need to go for niches with high appeal, something a lot of people are interested in. And that's what we call evergreen topics. However, if growth and monetization is not your goal, you can go for something you are passionate about. So after our first session, my client told me that he wants to grow and monetize this channel as soon as possible. We went for the right niche that will help us get the result we wanted. And boom, it worked. If you're still struggling with picking the right niche, here is a list of what we call evergreen niches. When you talk about any of these topics and you give massive value in your content, you are definitely going to get a lot of views. Stick with me because I'm going to show you exactly how to deliver the value. The second thing I did that blew this channel up in the last 28 days was creating videos that solve problems for my target audience, our target audience. So I discovered on YouTube, people watch videos for 2 reasons. It's either it's solving a pressing need, a problem they have and they need solution to, or it's giving them maximum entertainment. If you're able to create videos that solve any of these 2 problems, you are definitely going to get views. So we identified the pain points, the problems of our audience. So I started creating videos that solve this problem back to back. Hence, they kept coming back for more and more of our videos. Now, if you look at this, you are going to see that every video I uploaded on this channel got thousands of views. Look at it. That's exactly what my client told me when he signed up for this program. He wants a channel that every video on the channel gets at least 1,000 views. And that's exactly what I gave him in the last 28 days. Understanding the pain point of your audience and giving them exactly what solves that problem. You're going to get them hooked. I mean, they're going to keep coming back every time you upload a new video. Now, remember, this is a faceless channel, so I was able to do it without showing my face or even my client's face. Now, the third thing we did that helped to blow this channel up really fast is making this content short, straight to the point, and punchy. Honestly, in the last 28 days, I've learned a lot about faceless channel because I got to understand that people want to get value and get it as soon as possible. So any content that delivers value and give it to them the way they want it without dribbling, they want to stay back and see more and more of videos from that channel. So if you're a small creator and you're not getting a lot of views, you may want to go review the way you deliver the value in your videos. If you keep dragging people around and around, it might be the reason why people leave your video or even don't even watch the video in the first place. Now, moving on to the fourth thing I did differently to blow this channel up in the last 28 days, and that is playing with people's emotions. Guys, this works like magic. If you want to get your audience glued to your video, watching from beginning to the end, you have to switch on their emotions. It's only emotions that get somebody to click on a video and stay back to watch it. So in the last 28 days, I was switching content, making content from different angles in different ways. I eventually found one that really resonates with my audience. Honestly, it wasn't easy because I had to test different methods of delivering content until I was able to find one that hooks. The fifth thing I did that blew this channel up was when I took over this channel, I started with 2 videos. And I found this to be a very helpful strategy when it comes to getting people to watch your video and stay back watching it non-stop. So I created 2 videos and uploaded them almost at the same time. And I found out that people who watched the first video ended up watching the second one. Now, this is also linked to consistency. When we talk about consistency, it's not about uploading video at a specific time, but even in the content you deliver. So you don't move from one niche to the other. This way, you get your audience confused as well as the algorithm. So I was very consistent with the content I give, the value I give, and even the delivery. Let me explain to you the concept of starting a channel with 2 videos. When you start a YouTube channel and you're able to upload 2 videos minimum, anyone that watches the first one, enjoys it, will move on to the second one. But when you start with one, someone watches a video, I watch your video, I enjoy it, and then there's no other thing to bounce on. There's nothing again to watch. YouTube will simply take me to someone else who makes the kind of videos you make, and you've lost the chances of getting me stay on your channel for as long as possible. And that is why when you launch a YouTube channel, I will always advise, don't start with just one video, you disappear after 1 week, you come back with another video. No, start with at least 2 videos. The 6th secret I applied that really worked was the use of tags and hashtags in the right places. So I found out that using tags in the right places is one of the biggest way to feed YouTube algorithm with every information it needs to know about this channel as a new channel that will help you get more views. So if you look at this, you see this section here, that is tag section. A lot of small creators don't know about this section and they end up not feeding algorithm the right information here. So all the videos I uploaded in the last 28 days on this channel, I took out time to use optimized tags and I fed enough tag, at least 10 tags in this tag section. I no longer add tags in the title of the video because I discovered that it doesn't really work. Next one is channel keyword. So when I picked up this channel from my clients, I discovered that my client left this section open. And I was like, are you for real? So I went on to optimize it using relevant channel keywords. And for a reason I can't explain, everything turned around. It was like revamping this channel just because I added the keywords in this right section. If you're a small channel and you haven't optimized your channel yet, I made this video here talking about this particular setting and how to use it. I even use a lot of relatable examples that will help you optimize your own channel keywords. The next thing I did that really skyrocketed this channel, both in views and subscribers, is short description. A lot of small creators don't know that there's a section that is designated for you to write description for short videos. One of the things I did was to make best use of this section. For every video I uploaded on this channel, I wrote optimized description and then came over here and added it on these videos. Guys, it really helped because it was another opportunity for me to optimize the videos, which really helped algorithm to understand what this channel is and then helped us to push it to the right audience. How it works is after you're done uploading the video, give it a few seconds, then you go back to that video and click on edit. Then it's going to show you this section where you are meant to put description. Now it's 28 days and I've even surpassed our agreement because the agreement was to get 1,000 subscribers before handing it over. At the moment, we are sitting at 1,200 subscribers in only 28 days. So we are ready to hand over this channel to the owner. Now, if you would want to have something like this, if you'd like to work with me in this capacity, either teach you how to grow a faceless channel or even take over your channel and manage it for you, check the link in the first comment for details on how to sign up for this program. Here is the tip I promised you. If you're a small channel, you are just getting started on this platform, don't focus so much on subscribers. Yes, subscribers are important, they matter, but you should focus on the quality of audience, the quality of people that watch your videos. So you'll be able to create the kind of videos that get them coming back. As a brand new YouTube channel, YouTube isn't calculating the number of subscribers you have when it comes to recommending your videos and pushing your videos to your target audience. What YouTube looks at is the quality of your audience, the quality of views. When someone watches a video from beginning to the end and watch that video over and again, it's an indication that the person enjoyed that video. So YouTube is going to recommend more videos from that channel. This is how it works. When someone watches your video, enjoys it from beginning to the end, even if they did not subscribe, the next time you upload a video, YouTube is still going to show your videos to them, even when they did not subscribe to your channel. And that is why it's important as a creator to focus on the quality of views you get. Because when you get people to stay back and watch the video from beginning to the end, you've hooked them in. Algorithm also takes note of that and will continue to recommend your videos to those audience. But if you focus on subscribers alone, all you want is just to get people to subscribe to your channel. If those subscribers are not watching your video, every time you upload video, YouTube recommends this video to them because you didn't pay attention to the quality of the content and how long they spend watching the video. They are not going to watch the video and YouTube is going to kill that video. So what I did on this channel was to pay attention to every single detail, especially the quality of content I pushed out in the last 28 days. Because if you look at this, you see that people that watch this video, nobody watched it once, at least 3 times, 2 times. They watched and then they came back over and again. And that's how I was able to get them to subscribe as YouTube continues to push this video to them. Now have a look at this. Can you see the videos on this channel? Thousands of views, thousands in just 28 days. All the videos here are getting thousands of views, and it's an indication that I was delivering the kind of value they want. So that's basically how to blow a YouTube channel up. Now, if you want this kind of result, you want to work on a one-on-one capacity with me, check the link in the description and I would be happy to help you achieve this massive result. I hope you got value from this. See you in my next video.